Loud as grunts. Let's go. Come on. Wow! Naririnig ko yun. Sino yun? Ito yung nabubuhay uli. Okay, dinugo na siya. Wala pa ba akong magagawa dito? Kala ko namatay na to. Pagagalaw, steady mo lang, steady mo lang. Steady mo lang. Good boy, good boy. Sa batok ang tama. Damn. Hihi. Yung something eh. Nag-cutscene ba? Nice! I did some progress! Woo!
Hey,
Yo!
are you alright?
I'm good.
You're the lady from before. Yeah. This is, you're, did anyone hurt you? Because I can't see. Oh, no, that's not what I meant. It's not my fault. The doctors gave us both medicine. Made our eyes go bad.
Oh,
So-
shit.
So there was someone in there? There's another bed in this, My friend, Marie.
Where Marie at?
One day she just disappeared.
Naghukay si Marie. As you can see.
I'm sorry. When it happened, I was happy it wasn't me.
What's your samba?
Is that bad?
What you samba?
I'm just gonna keep looking around.
Okay. Pussy. Injection nga muna. Marie. Feel ko si Marie na atakas. Sinaksak niya sa leeg yung si kuya. Emplisan nyo lang. Emplisan nyo lang. Mga one shot ba ako nito? Ang tanong. Okay, nandito na ako eh. Kakanan na lang. Kailangan mo na lang dumiretso ng onte, miss. Miss! Kailangan mo na lang dumiretso ng onte, miss. Kailangan kong patayin to. Or, can I? Napicturean ko ata to eh. Okay. Meron na akong password dun sa lock 301050. Ang password dito sa tatlo is Moon. Hindi. Oh, fuck. Wait lang. Reset. Moon. Meron tayong moon. Meron tayong sun. Meron tayong star. Meron tayong moon. Boom. Got it. Tang. Ilan yun? Ay! Kalma nyo. Nabuksan ko na eh. Reset yun kasi nagre-reset din sila. Now, pwede ko na makuha to. Mayroon tayong moon. Okay, 0. Check. Restart muna, restart. 30. 10. 50. Check. The fuck? Wait lang. 10. 80. Fuck, wait nga. Left 10. Left 10. Left 10. Right 80. Tanga na, ginugugol na yan eh. Left 30. Bam! Oh my god, wala man lang bala, sir! Oh shit. We got a scrap on me. We got the scrap on me. We got the scrap on me. On gang. On gang, man. Yes.
Wait, this is mine.
Yes, that's yours. Asa na yung puki ng inang babaeng yun? Ito uunahin ko. Yung nakakanta. Wait lang, padaanin ko muna to. Pipitigin ko yung babaeng yun. Maniwala ka sa akin. Kasi ayoko magsayang ng bala sa'yo eh. Oy! Okay? Sige! Sigaw ka lang. Putain na ito. Photo bomber ka. Okay lang, okay lang, okay lang. We good, we good. Full health. Full health. Full health. Okay lang, okay lang. We good, we good. We good. Patay na? Patay agad? Nakangiti. Patay agad. Ikaw. Ina mo. Pero di pa lumabas yung dugo na ito. Buhay pa to eh. Buhay pa to eh. Nanay ito eh. Teka na. Yun yung mukha mo. May grills ka pa pala eh.